Welcome to Startup Khata. In this tutorial, we are going to see how we can create new export invoice. To do that, you just have to click on the sales option on the dashboard. After that, you have to click on the third button that will be a new export invoice. You just have to click it. After that, you will see a new export invoice form will get open. You just have to fill this all details like from to select bill to. The section is automatically updated from your profile section. You just have to fill the bill to section here. To do that, you just have to click on add button on the right side of the screen. After that, you will see a already address is listed here. If you are new user, then just click on add new. After that, you just have to fill the ledger. You just have to create a ledger. To do that, you can fetch all this detail by your GST number. You just have to fill your GST number here. You just have to fill this GST number here. I am randomly selecting this GST number. You have to fill here your proper GST number. After that, you can click on this fetch and all detail will get fetched. This is not correct GST number, that's why information is not fetched. If you have correct GST number, you can fetch the details from here. After that, you have to if detail is not fetched, you can manually type the details. Like you have to fill your email address, your that ledger name. Let's suppose I am adding the bank ledger, so I am selecting the bank name here. Let's suppose AYZ bank. After that, filling the bank, you just have to select the category. Select the category from the category section. So I am adding bank, so I am selecting bank. So see, according to category, the input will get updated. If the category is not listed that you want in your ledger, then simply just type the then simply just type here your category. Like I want to add some uh, service. Let's suppose type of service. So click on add service, and you have to see a add more column which category it come in, that you have to select here. Let's suppose I am selecting short term provision. After that, just click on select button here. You have to just select the button save and see your category is listed here. So it's not, I am adding AYZ bank, so I am changing it to bank. After that, if you want this address detail, if you want to this address detail, just click on it, or you can just uncheck it. Then automatically get your input will get disappeared. I want to fill the address details, so I am clicking address. I am filling this all details. So I fill all these detail here: account holder name, account number, branch name, bank name, swift code. This is all the dummy details. You have to fill your own correct details. If you are BSR code, you can add here, otherwise it will be optional. After filling all, you have to click on opening detail. If you want to add your opening amount here, let's suppose I am adding 1000. After filling all these details, don't forget to fill email address here. After that, after filling all the detail, you have to click on the save changes and see your bank is get listed here. You have to search your ledger name here. Let's suppose what we added. We just added the bank, BNC Bank. You can see our bank is now bill section is added here. After that, you have to play fill other details. Just scroll down and fill other details like place of supply. Let's selecting Delhi. Then invoice number, invoice date, due date, delivery number. Mode of trains, it should be a rail, air, ship. I am selecting road. So if you selected road, you have to fill the vehicle number. MH32 1234. After that, you can fill your email number here, transporter ID, job project number, export invoice, type, reference, enter your reference. You have to fill your reference number here. I am filling it dumb data. You have to fill your own. Shipping bill number, shipping port code. This is you don't have to fill all this detail. It will be optional. But if you want to print this all details on your invoice, then you have to fill it. Then your I code, add code, intercom currency. Make sure you have filled your correct import currency INR. Then port of landing. You have to fill your port of landing, road, port of delivery. You can fill here your port of delivery. I am not adding here. So I did suppose I am adding a road. Then theme name. You have to add your theme name. Let's suppose I am adding product. If you're not listed here, then you can add your manual like let's suppose I am adding inventory, uh, TV boxes. Click on add. After that, you have to click here. It should be inventory or service. So I am adding inventory. So I am clicking on inventory. Fill this all details like muted measurement box, under which category it will should finish in goods. After that, theme code. If you have a proper HS and SSC code, you have to fill it. Otherwise, it will be optional. Tax rate, chase amount if you decide any. Location, opening quantity, average rate. After filling all these details, simply click create inventory. You can see your inventory get created here. After filling this detail, don't forget to fill this HNC SSC code if you have any tax, quantity, unit of measurement, rate. After that, tax rate. You can add multiple themes here by just clicking on this add service. Let's suppose I am adding any service. So pan service. So like this, you can add terms and condition is going to here. You can add terms and condition here according to your requirements. After that, tax item it should be a TDS or TCS. Otherwise, it should you can select the none. After that, remark remark will here. After that, you have a remark here. Just check this or e-bill or round off total. If you want to upload any file, you can upload file from here. After filling all these details, simply click on save. If eBay bill you have not generated, just go and click on uncheck it and click on save. Invoice number is already don't three. Don't forget to change the invoice number. It should not be same to the previous. So after that, click on save and see your invoice will get created here. Remark will come here. Your authorized signature will come here, and all other detail will get printed here. If you want to add here, you have to fill this. You have to go in your setting. After that, click on tax setting, and you have to fill these details. Let's suppose invoice login detail, your password, your GST number, and other details. Simply click on save changes. Also in sales setting also you can do that. So this is how you can create the invoice, new export invoice. So thank you guys.